In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Great Clips customer support team. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the best way we can do this is open up a web browser and head on over to Google. Now we need to go to a site called pissconsumer.com. So I'm going to go pissconsumer. Here it is here. So click into this site. Now once you're here, click on the search and then type in Great Clips. This site is great for finding hard to reach businesses or websites. So here it is here with 2.1 stars with over 500 rated reviews. But if we scroll down to get their contact section, we've got reviews, about, and contacts. Go ahead and click on the contacts. Scroll down again, and now here's a number you can call, a toll-free number. You can click on call customer service on this blue button. And they've got a few more numbers here. If you can't get through with one, you can try the others, and you can also send them a message if you don't want to speak on the phone. And if we scroll down, you'll see the most popular number and how many calls and some stats about that number as well.